The trap is set. "6 months old. His hunting skills are all self-taught." Sally Lightfoot crabs, an octopus favorite. The turning tides now exposes one of their favorite things to eat. Fresh algae. So mouth-watering. But to get to it takes a leap of faith. The young octopus won't get as much as a snack by staying where he is. He needs a plan. Muscles in his eyes change the shape of the lens so he can focus out of water and see the best way to the jumping crabs. He's going for it. He'll dry out and die in 20 minutes.